This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to secure your MetaMask wallet step by step. First, always ensure you download MetaMask directly from its official website or a trusted app store to avoid malicious versions. Next, create a strong, unique password for your wallet. Never reuse passwords from other accounts. Remember, your seed phrase is the ultimate master key to all your digital assets, so protecting it is paramount from the very beginning. These initial steps are crucial for establishing a secure foundation for your crypto journey. Your 12-word seed phrase is the most critical element of your wallet's security. It is vital to write this phrase down on physical paper. Absolutely never store it digitally on your computer or phone. Create at least 2 or 3 copies and store them in separate, secure physical locations, like a safe deposit box or a fireproof safe. Remember, no legitimate support person will ever ask for your seed phrase, so never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. For an even higher level of security, consider integrating a hardware wallet, such as a ledger or Trezor device. These devices keep your private keys offline, making them much harder for attackers to access. Always enable transaction signing notifications within MetaMask. This prompts you to carefully review every outgoing transaction before approval. Furthermore, regularly audit and revoke permissions granted to decentralized applications that you no longer actively use, minimizing potential exposure. Finally, maintaining vigilance is key to long-term security. Always be extremely cautious of phishing attempts and suspicious links in emails, social media, or direct messages. Before confirming any transaction, take an extra moment to double-check the recipient's address to ensure it is correct. For an added layer of protection, consider using a dedicated, separate browser profile solely for your cryptocurrency activities, isolating it from your general browsing. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.